Hey friends, this is your host Sudhir from Coinsutra.com. How are you doing today? Welcome to our YouTube channel of Coinsutra. Today we are going to discuss about a very popular Bitcoin P2P exchange. And I think by looking at my screen, by now you must have guessed that we are going to discuss about the famous exchange LocalBitcoins. And yes, this is an exchange which is not only famous in US, UK, but in third world countries like Zimbabwe, Iraq, Iran, Syria, etc. Because these third world countries really don't have proper Bitcoin exchanges to buy and sell Bitcoin. So LocalBitcoins is go option for them, and this exchange has a pretty good network spread across the globe, specifically in 248 countries and more than 15,000 cities. So I will walk you through in this video towards some of the features of LocalBitcoins, like how to buy Bitcoins, how to sell Bitcoins via this service, and some other features and tricks that will help you use this platform in the most potential way. So let's get started. I will log in to my LocalBitcoins account, which I have already registered through my email ID. And this is how it will look like when you log in for the first time, the LocalBitcoins Dashboard. Here you will see the quick buy option, quick sell option, and here you can select the country. You can see that there are many countries listed out here, and for this video I will select India. And here you can see these are the payment options. I can pay through bank transfer, I can do a Paytm transfer. Paytm is a very popular payment service in India, and I can even use PayPal, Payoneer, or else I can meet the person in person and do a cash deal. For now I will just select all the online offers and do a search, and you can see these are the quick buy options, and these are the traders who are willing to sell Bitcoins to me. So I will click here to buy Bitcoins, but before that I would like to tell that this score, which is 30 plus and 100 plus, this actually shows you the trust factor and the number of trades this trader has done. So usually, as a thumb rule, it's a good thing that a trader must have done at least 100 trades, and trust factor score which you can look for should be around 95 to 100%. So for this trade I will select this second option and click here buy, and these are the trade details for dealing with this person. And you can see here are the trade limits. So this basically means if I want to buy Bitcoins anything in between the range of 10,000 to 54,000 around, so this should be a good trader to deal with. And the payment window is 90 minutes, means that I have to give him the payment in the specified window. And you can see when I put here 10,000 rupees, so this is the amount of Bitcoins which I can get in exchange. And here I can give my contact details and any other message which I want to pass on, and click here and send a trade request. I will not do it for now because it will really hamper my trust factor and my feedback score. And here are the trade terms which you can read and contact this person via a call or WhatsApp. And the similar thing you need to do when you want to sell your Bitcoins. You just need to find a perfect buyer for your deal. So again I will select India country and see who all are interested in buying the Bitcoin. So when I click here search, it will pop up so many results. So you can see that this is a good deal. He has done more than 500 trades and the score is also 99%, which is a good thing. So I will go here, and here you can see that currently the trader is on vacation, so no problem. So this is also a very cool feature that you can off your account and put a disclaimer that I am off for a vacation. So no problem, we will select another trader. I'm selecting another trader in INR India to sell my Bitcoins. Again I will check for a good score, which is this 100% score, which is a good thing. And you can see here that if I want to deal anything in between 10,000 to 50,000 INR, this is a good thing. So let's suppose I want to sell my Bitcoins worth of 10,000. So this is the amount of Bitcoins which will be getting deducted from my exchange amount. And here are the messages and my contact details which I can leave, and here are my trade details and other account details which I can share with the person on the other side. And apart from that, you can post a trade on local bitcoins depending upon what you want to sell or buy. And this feature will require you to do an identity verification process, so I have not done it, so I will show you it in another video. And apart from that, the forum option is pretty cool in local bitcoins, because here you can discuss about how the local bitcoin service is acting in your country, in your region, and you can even discuss the feedback about particular trader and raise a heads up that, hey, don't deal with that kind of person or this person because of some possible fraud. And another thing is that there is highly unlikely that you will get a fraud here until unless you do some mistake from your side. So because local bitcoins is a escrow platform, basically they are holding your bitcoins whenever you go in a trade. So if, let's suppose, I have paid the money and followed the procedure in the correct way, local bitcoins has held that amount of bitcoins in escrow, and they will be transferring to me when my payment is confirmed from the other party. So this is also a good forum to discuss your grievances, and you can even select region from here. Apart from that, their wallet structure is pretty much standard as you will find in any online exchange. So here you can send the amount of bitcoins to whatever address you want, and here you can see that receive bitcoins option is also there, where you will find your receiving address, and here is the transaction history. And this account I have made recently, so you will not find any transaction histories here. Apart from that, another cool feature which is not listed here, but you can try that at your own risk, because this is something which I found out because various people have done this, that you can use this exchange to buy bitcoins anonymously if you have a VPN and you're trying to register your identity through a alias email and your identity. But this is really not recommended, because some buyers and sellers require you to disclose your proper identity, and if they found any misinformation in that, something is incorrect, then they will report you, and your trust factor or Fitbit score will be reduced, which will stop you from dealing into trades into this platform. So you can use that feature only with those traders who are really okay in not knowing your identity. So you can try that feature, but at your own risk. And this is pretty much everything from my side in this tutorial, and this video is brought to you by Coinsutra. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, you should do it right now. And we are present on social media, on Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and I am leaving all the links below. And if you have any feedbacks or questions regarding this video, please feel free to comment below. And if you have any more requests to cover any more topics in and around cryptocurrencies, then do let me know in the comment section below. So this is your host Sudhir. Bye bye. See you again.